not ride in the rain. Ever. There's no good reason for it. Don't ride in the rain. It's not safe. You won't have a good time. It's not worth it. There's no reason to ride in the rain, so don't do it. Ever. Not in a million years. I don't care if your car's broke down and you got to get to work one way or another. Fuck work. You call them suckers and you tell... It's raining harder! Fuck! Son of a bitch! God damn... Oh, shit. I can't see out my visor. But if you're not wearing a helmet, you're going to be in for a real bad time. I just passed some Harleys that were hanging out under a bridge on the interstate. Neither of them were wearing a helmet, and they had to stop. You know why? Because the rain was probably feeling like fucking babies hitting their face. Not a good time. That was lightning. I just saw lightning, so I'm going to get zapped. This is awful. It doesn't even look like it should be raining, but it is. Why did I look up? I just got rain in my face. Don't ride in the rain. Don't do it. Goodbye.